dear students. Today's topic is addition. We are going to add two given numbers. As you have already learned in your previous class that whenever we are going to add two numbers, we always start from the right side, that is by adding the numbers which are at the place of ones. We always start adding the numbers which are at the place of ones and then forward tens, hundreds and thousands. So first of all, we are going to add these two numbers for getting the final answer. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now the numbers at the place of tens must be added. 4 plus 3 is 7. 0 plus 9 is 9. And 5 plus 3 is 8. This is a very simple answer. So by adding these two numbers, we get the final answer, that is 8,975. Now going to solve the second question. From where we have to start? We have to start by adding the digits which are at the place of ones. So first we'll add the digits which are at the place of ones, that are 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Then these digits which are at the place of tens. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 2 which are at the place of hundreds. 5 plus 2 is 7. And at the end we are going to add 4 plus 3 which is equals to 7. So by adding these two numbers we get the final answer, which is 7,767. So by solving these two questions, what we have understood, that whenever we are going to add the numbers, whether they are 2, 3, 4 numbers, we always start adding them from the digits which are at the place of ones. Now we are going to solve third question. The two numbers are given. In the first number the total digits are 4 and in the second number the digits are 3. So 5,948 is going to be added to 324. So again start adding from the right side, that is at the place of ones. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we are writing here 12. No, look at here. 12 has 2 at the place of ones and 1 at the place of tens. So 2 will be written here and 1 will be as a carry for the next numbers. Whenever you are getting the addition answer as two-digit numbers, we always place the digit which are at the place of ones under ones and taking the second digit as a carry at the place of tens. So here the addition was 12. So 1 must be as a carry for the digits at the place of tens. So now our digits which are at the place of tens are 3 and we have to add these three numbers. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now adding these two numbers, 9 plus 3. They are also equals to 12. They are at the place of hundreds. So the total addition of these two digits is 12, that are 12 hundreds. 12 hundreds. So this one is thousands. So this one must be taken as a carry to the next number. 2 will be placed here and this 1 will be taken as a carry to the next number. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6,272 is the final answer of adding these two numbers. So by solving this question, what we have understood that whenever we are adding two digits and answer is two-digit number, so we have to place the digit which is at the place of ones here and the other digit as a carry to the next number to the left. So 12 is the total of this. So 2 is placed here and 1 is taken as a carry to the next number. So by adding these two numbers, we find out the answer, that is 6,272. Hope you all have understood today's lesson. Thank you.